Every day, more companies lower earnings guidance and complain about the economy. But in the home building sector, everything seems to be just fine, thank you. The most recent positive news comes from Beazer Homes, which says it expects third-quarter earnings to exceed analysts' expectations. Those expectations call for a profit of $1.71 a share. The stock ended up about a quarter yesterday. It's traded in a 52-week range of 69 to 18. But take a look at this nice-looking chart, now trading right around the high at 66. Let's find out the home builder's secret. Joining us from Atlanta today, David Weiss, Beazer Homes CFO. Mr. Weiss, good to have you with us.
Good morning, Maria.
So have you seen a change in business over the last 3 months?
Over the last 3 months, it's been extremely strong. Actually, we've reported earnings for the last quarter up 30% or over 30%. So it's extremely strong. If any change, I would say it's even stronger demand at the lower price points.
Are you expecting things to slow down in the coming months?
No, we're not. We see a huge pent-up demand for housing. Basically, we have underproduced, as an industry, the houses needed for the growth in population of the last decade, and we see that pent-up demand being met over the next decade.
Well, let me ask you a question. To what do you attribute that? I mean, we're seeing slowdowns across the technology sector, across the board. Today, we saw a worse than expected job picture. How is it that people continue constructing new homes?
Well, as I said, there's really a huge demand. The growth in the population in the U.S. was 32 million based on the 2000 census. That was about 6 million more than expected. We didn't produce enough houses during that decade, during the 90s, for the people that came to the country. There were 10 million new immigrants into the country. That was an all-time record again. So basically, we need to build more homes. With respect to the economy, certainly there are pockets of weakness, but in major parts of the country that people are moving to, the economy is still fairly strong, and of course interest rates are quite low.
David, I see you do both the financing and the building, which is a great combination. Are you in the strongest economic region in the country right now? Is that part of your story?
Yes, we are, certainly. We're in the southeast, southwest, the major growing areas, especially the entry states into the United States, California, Texas, Florida. As you say, we do the financing. We originate the mortgages for our home buyers, though we don't hold them, and we try to provide a full service to our home buyers.
Now, how's the mortgage interest rate outlook look to you?
It's great. Currently, you can get a 30-year mortgage for down around 7%, a little above 7%, historically low levels, and we really don't see any reason for that to shoot up in the near term. Plus, on top of that, there's a fundamentally different mortgage market now than there was, say, a decade ago. A lot more products, a lot more adjustable rate mortgages, so it's a lot healthier environment for the home buyer.
Are folks going adjustable or are they going fixed?
Well, currently they're going fixed in great bulk. Over 90% of the, in fact, over 95% currently are fixed rate. If the long-term rates were to inch up, then people would shift to the adjustable rates.
Have prices declined, David?
No, we're actually raising prices. We've been actively raising prices in the majority of our markets, I'd say 3 to 5%, and that's what gives rise to the increase in margins that we're currently seeing.
All right. No wonder your stock is up 213% in a year. Nice to have you with us.
Thank you very much.
David Weiss, Beazer Homes CFO, joining us today.